And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this model D16 wireless mouse. This will really come in handy because my wife's mouse on her computer has just went out. So optical sensor, wireless, mini portable design, great for your laptop or your carrying bag when you're traveling. Nothing back here. And then USB receiver, mouse, and user manual is all that's in here. Let's open it up, show you what it looks like. That's it. And so here's the how to use, etc. there. Should be plug and play with Windows, of course. Basically the same with a Mac if you want one of these for your Mac. Nice logo here, nice grips on the side. Even got a forward and back button here, always like that. Right here's your CPI switch button, nice clicking scroll wheel, and then left click and right click. The bottom here is your receiver. Just plug that right into your computer, and then of course throw you it takes one AA battery. Very nice. Here's your 2.4 gigahertz wireless optical mouse. Doesn't come with a battery, of course, which is fine. Slap your battery in here, plug in your receiver, and you should be good to go. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.